In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can locate WhatsApp desktop files on PC in just few easy steps. So to find WhatsApp download files location on your laptop or PC, first of all, you can click on that search button and search for WhatsApp. Here it is, you can open it. You can open any of the chat that you want to locate. I am opening this one, and then you need to click on that header. It will open up like this. Then you will see here media links and documents. Click to open it. Then you need to open any of the image to find its location. So I'm opening this one here. After opening it, on right upper side you will see here these three dots. If you click on it, you will see these sum of options. Click on open with. Then you will see this window here. Again right click on it and select open in file explorer. And here it is. You can see here our files are here. Now to see its location, you can click on these three dots and select here edit address. Now it's showing here C drive, user folder and so on. You can locate these files by opening these folders. So that's how you can locate WhatsApp desktop files on PC and laptop in just few easy steps.